back in another vlog. I'm sorry I didn't record for a vlog in a while. I've just been busy with online class. Today is Saturday. Tomorrow's our last day here, or today might be. It is currently 5:35 in the morning. 5:51. So, if you don't believe me, you can see the weather outside. 5:51 in the morning here. I just woke up. Let's go on our walk, guys. Farm vlog. I hear the gawk. You hear that noise there that keeps going gawk, gawk, gawk? Yeah, that's the noise that woke me up. I tried going back to sleep and it still woke me up. Well, back to the farm vlog. Sorry guys, I'm acting funny. It's just real early in the morning. Oh, I miss Tank, guys. I'm starting to miss Tank. If you don't know who Tank is, go check out my previous videos. One of my videos, my tortoise has a weird habit of staring at me. That video. Yeah, you don't know who Tank is, you can see him in that video. He's my tortoise. He's about this big, and a little bigger than my phone. I'm telling, like this big, around this big. Or around, yeah, this big, around this big. He's my, oh God, it's windy, it's freezing. As I was saying, he's my 10-year-old tortoise. He's 10 years old, same age as me. And I am going to turn into a popsicle any second now. If you can see, I'm at King Tong Resort as usual. Okay, is this part 6 or part 7? At the end of the video, I'll share. Talking of cold, I gotta make a poop. For real. Yeah, I'm just gonna go back into the bathroom. I'll go back to make my thing, and then I'll come back outside. Peace. I'm not gonna end the video, it's just a cut, alright? I'll be back when I'm done pooping. Guys, I know this is a little weird, but while I'm pooping, you wanna make a Q&A together? Comment. Ew, you weirdo, we don't want to watch you poop. That's kind of true. I'm not a weirdo, I just don't want to know if you want to stay with me. So, fine, I'll poop first. Wait, another comment. You might say yes. Baby boy, don't poop in the camera and record a Q&A, that's weird. True. Well, we got 2 voters, so I lost. Cut. Mommy, where's the toilet paper? Oh, fine. Uh-oh. Sorry, guys, the fly went on my thing. All right, I'm gonna cut this again. Guys, bad news, I can't record. I finished pooping. I can't record because, what'd you say, cameraman? What? Your battery is only 15% left, sir. Well, why didn't you charge it last night? Well, you were busy playing video games, sir. And I wasn't playing on my phone. Yes, you were. I was playing on my PS5. What are you talking about, guys? Sir, you were playing on the PlayStation last night. What are you talking about? I don't even have a PlayStation. Weirdo. Okay, sir, then would you mind if I show your phones? No, that's not a good idea. Say, admit it, sir. Fine, I was playing on my phone. My PS5 was dead. What did you expect me to do? You know what, Chives? Give me this, Chives. 1 second, guys. Now that that job is done, sir. Chives, 1 second, guys. Chives, you're fired. Sorry about that, guys. I just had to kick some butt. Well, gotta end the vlog. Get out of my mansion, Chives. You're not welcome here. But, sir, no bots. Get out of here. Finally. Well, the vlog didn't end here, so bye, guys. Like and subscribe to the Baby Boy Merch baby. So I want to say something before the vlog ends. One thing, alright? One thing. What do you want to say? Baby boy's a real baby that still drinks milk from his mother. Excuse me, Chives? 1 second. I'm really gonna kick his butt this time. He's dead. Hey, what is that? Let me move his body. Oops, I murdered him. I murdered Chives. There's blood all over the floor. Chives, can you clean this up? Oh, I forgot, I killed him. Oh no. I'm just gonna keep beating up his body. Right? I'm gonna kick him to death. I gotta smash his head and make it look like he committed suicide. Finally, I should put, this. I'm gonna make it look like he smashed himself with this. Bye guys, like, subscribe. I gotta try to get away with murder.